Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome if you're new. My name is Kimmy. In today's video, I am going to pull out all the stuff from this drawer, or this cabinet. It has all of our vitamins and stuff in it, and I want to put all the vitamins in a container that I have back there. That way we can just pull out the whole entire container, get what we need to get, and then be good with it. And then I've got all of this stuff over here. I normally pull everything out. I don't want to do that today. What I would rather do is just reorganize everything, so just straighten it up, almost like we're cleaning the cabinets. So I'm gonna do that because I do kind of keep up with that. Y'all know, like, I do a pantry organization probably every 2 months. And then same thing with the fridge. There's a few containers in here that need to come out, like that homemade ranch right there. And then for the most part, this just needs some rearranging so that everything is just more accessible and not kind of all over the place. So let's get the motivation started with the organizing of the kitchen. This is everything pulled out. I'm pretty sure all of this is still good, but I am going to go through some of these things and make sure they are still in date. I did purchase this recently, so I know this is good. My camera, if you guys don't know, the Canon G7X Mark III, if you need a camera, get the Mark II. It focuses way better than the Mark III, but I'm still grateful for the camera I have. But this is what I bought for us to use if we got sick, because it doesn't raise your blood pressure like some cold medicine does. But I'm going to go through this and just pull out everything that doesn't need to be here. I totally forgot. Erin purchased biotin like a long time ago, so I should keep that out. I was thinking of using this clear container to put all these big things in. I don't know if it's all going to fit, but we'll see where we get. Alright, I've got my brightness turned down so that y'all can see this, but you see those, let me see if I can focus it. Okay, can you tell that those pills are, I'm gonna flip it over. There's some big horse looking pills in here that have specks all over them. Ooh, there you go, you can see. That is mold. That's not supposed to be there. And the only thing I can think of is because I mixed gel capsules with these big pills right here. I'm going to see if I can actually find those in the cabinet. I think they may be the one-a-day mints. I'm going to see what they look like. Okay, so the one on the right came straight out of the bottle, and the one on the left came out of the plastic everyday container. So I'm pretty sure it's because I was putting them in with the gel, and I feel like moisture is seeping out of the gel capsules and hitting this one right here, and that's why they look like that, because they all look like that in here. But then in here they do have little specks, but it looks normal, you know? It doesn't look crazy like this. That was a crazy difference. So yeah, I'm getting rid of everything in here because, you know, it's probably contaminated. But just in case y'all didn't know, because I didn't know, don't put these types of pills in with the capsules. Keep those separate. Liquid capsules anyways. It should be fine if it's the plastic with the turmeric, because, you know, that's just powder. But because this is liquid, I think it's seeping in. And it was a fish oil, so I don't know. I'm getting rid of all these though, which is fine, because speaking of, I've already put everything back up here. So I put all of the medicine in this little basket, which was from the Dollar Tree. I'm pretty sure this was from the Dollar Tree too. And I put all of our vitamins in here, and then more supplements on the side right here. And then all the medication is up here, and like eye wash and just like random stuff up there. So that's how that looks now. This is always what I've done pretty much anywhere I've lived, but definitely in the mobile home. I always just pick up these Dollar Tree containers and put stuff in them. They come in all different shapes and sizes, and I know during the springtime they have a lot in stock, so it's a great time to check then, like around March, and they'll have like tons and tons of storage options. So yeah, there you go. There's that one. Now we're going to move on to those cabinets over there and do like a little speed run. so much better. These clear containers are from Amazon, and I believe they are linked in the description box under home or organization in my Amazon storefront link. So they're there. They're by Lifewit. I've got quite a few of them, and then there's more of those clear containers with the white lids. I put pretty much all of our food in containers just so nothing is floating around, but all of our like cans and stuff were just kind of all over the place. So now I can see where they all are. We're stocked up on beans. We've got all the stuff here right now, and I'm making some cookies today, and that already went up on the vlog channel at the same time that this video went up, but they're like viral TikTok cookies. This guy, I wish I remember his video, but he did cookies with 3 ingredients, and he said they turned out great, so I'm really crossing my fingers that they will be good. I'm gonna add some chocolate chips to them, so I'm actually gonna keep this out because that's what I'm filming right after this video. Hi, it's Wednesday, and it's Wednesday for you guys. Anyways, we've got this stuff here. Just let me know how many vegetables we have, and then we keep our like rice and noodles up there. And then this was like the biggest issue. All of my seasoning was just all over the place. This wooden thing is from Walmart, and I have one linked to my Amazon store as well, and it folds out, slides out, so it can be like really long. I put this kind of stuff just right there, and then all the like short items right here, then second tallest, then tallest back there. This is just extras that we have, and then I put all the big ones right here, and as you can see, I try not to put anything behind, so there's a lot of open space back there, which in the future, if I bought more stackable shelves, then I could add more stuff behind it, but I kind of like doing it this way because then I can see everything. Those are all my jars with stuff in them. Okay, on this side, I just have like, I think soy sauce is back there, spicy mustard, hot sauce, and then this is like the sweets stuff, so caramel, vanilla, and that's it. So now I'm going to do the same thing right here. I'm probably not even going to touch this. I'll take the milk out because I know that's bad, but everything else just needs to be straightened up. Like this doesn't even need to be in here. What is that? This is me. This is me not wasting. I put it in the fridge as if I'm going to drink it. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I add it to the next bottle. I don't know if that's gross, but whatever. Anyways, I'll go clean this out. Oh, also, totally forgot. I mentioned this on Instagram, though. Thank you all so much for sending me cards. I cried whenever I opened the P.O. box and started to read all of these. But they're so sweet and so thoughtful, and it just makes me so happy that y'all sent over some really pretty cards, and I'm going to leave them up probably until after Christmas because I just think they're so fun. This is another thing I got, and it's either Cassie or Casey, but she knows I like stickers and mushrooms, and this, oh, it is so dark you can't even see. Anyways, there's a mushroom right there, and it's like a little sun catcher, so the light will shoot off of that onto over there, and I just think that's so sweet. She made that by hand, which is just amazing. And she also sent me, look how adorable this is. It's a mushroom ornament, so I put that there, and then this little shorter one. Like, how cute. I love it so much. Things like this just mean so much more than these little ornaments that you buy at like Walmart and Big Lots. Like, this is just, I don't even know where these came from, but it's just a mushroom. Like, it's so different. Anyways, I love it. So that will be on my tree every year from now on. Like, look how they just pop. So cute. Another random thing, we were needing some more coffee pods, and if y'all have an Ollie's near you and you want coffee pods, there's 80 in here, and it was $20. And so far I've had the French roast flavor, and it's really good. But there's Colombian, classic, and breakfast. The only thing I would complain about is how they're just all jumbled in here, but I don't even care, because so good. Like, such a good deal too. Alright, enough of my rambling. Fridge rearranging time.
You can't fight it when it feels so true. You drive me crazy like no one else. The final moment before I lose myself. And it's no use working 9 to 5 if you want more than to stay alive. So come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. We stay up until the morning light, oh. So come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On the beat, keep
Look how much I pulled out that just did not belong in the fridge. I forgot to mute the TV, and I hear my friend in the background. I watch other people's YouTube videos whenever I'm cleaning too. Okay, so I just consolidated all that up there, and there's our little veggies. I need to eat some more salad today, and cucumber, and then, you know, all that's in there. Butter, eggs, bacon, water, fun drinks, and then this stuff's over here. So that's all good now. Alright guys, I got all the trash put away. Everything feels so much better now inside my cabinets and inside of the fridge. If this gave you some motivation or inspo for organizing your small home and you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being here. And I will see y'all back here for a new video very, very soon. Bye.
stay up until the morning light, oh. I just wanna be your Superman.